Hi, my name is AJ Phillips, and I'm going to be doing a bike check on my Mutiny loosefer V3 ratio in red dip. I ride a 21-inch top tube. The frame has a 75-degree head tube and a 70-degree seat tube angle. On the top it says Randy Forever, and on the bottom it has the Mutiny logo. It's a mid-bottom bracket, and it says Randy 21 down there too, just because it's a 21-inch frame. I ride Eclat Aeon 2.5 piece cranks in the 175 option. I also ride Colony Fantastic pedals. I have a Sabrosa Magnum guard in 3rd place bronze, a 25 tooth. A Shadow Conspiracy Supreme interlocking V2 chain. A Primo Remix complete wheel on an Odyssey Aaron Ross 2.1 in Cinema 4140 pegs in the back. In the front I have Eclat Stevie forks and 26mm offset, Eclat Venom plastic pegs, Primo N4FL front rim with hub guards on both sides, and Chase Hawk tire. Up top I have Sunday Jake Seeley street sweepers in 9-inch rise. The grips are Mike Hoder's BTM grips from S&M. It has the shield on the bottom. My stem is a BSD Race V2 in 50mm reach. And I have a Odyssey conical headset. My seat post is an Odyssey tripod. And I have a Flybike's seat, Devin Smiley's signature in the brown. This has been my bike check. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more to you, and I'll have more riding videos once my wrist heals up. Thanks.